Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to explain the concept of an S3. So basically what is an S3? It is an cloud based object storage service provided by an Amazon Web Service, that is AWS. It is used to store and retrieve the data of at a point of any time or anywhere in the web. So basically it will store it is in an object. So most simple format will be an image and all the other things. So lots of domain or platforms are using the S3, so they are totally dependent to based on this asset. Like in the OTT domain you can store the videos, important images, whatever, and retrieve them. So yeah, this is what example of S3. So now let's deep dive into how to create an S3 bucket and upload the asset or a file. So when you log in into AWS dashboard, click on the S3 console. It will redirect you to S3 console. Here there will be a create bucket. Click on that. Yeah, now you can see I am in the Mumbai region. So basically S3 is a service where I can access from anywhere in the world if you have a right permission. So I am in Mumbai. My S3 is in Mumbai, and from Singapore also I can access it. So it is across the world we can access. So now I am giving my S3 bucket name, my S3 practice, or else you can give, it should be unique across the world, not on only on your account, my S3. So let's see that case. And the ownership, so here if you are disabled, then you are only your account is accessed for your bucket, or else other accounts also can access this bucket. So presently I am blocking all the public access. This is for the security purpose. And bucket versioning, this is a different concept in the another concept, sub concept of the S3. Presently I am disabling it. For beginner purpose you can ignore this, and the rest all will be the same. Now I am creating, yeah, here we can see we can create, as it is suggesting bucket with the same name already exists. In my account there are no buckets, but in other accounts across the world the bucket name should be unique. So I'll change it as practice demo. Yeah, name already exists, video. Yeah, now my practice S3 bucket name is not there, it is unique. Now I am creating the bucket. Yeah, we have created the bucket. So yeah, this is my bucket. Here let's see some of the metrics what we are getting. Let's go to the properties. Here we can see what the region is, and bucket versioning we have disabled it, and MFA is also disabled, and bucket key is enabled. And here we can set some event notification kind of thing, where some activity happens in my bucket, I am able to trigger it and get the notification of it if some assets or files will be deleted, added, or manipulated. So that also we can create this one. And in the same side we can access the logging also through the CloudWatch. This is another concept. Yeah, this is what the properties. And permission is off. I am accessing all the public access, only I can give the access to whichever I want. So to give that, the bucket policy should be there, that is in the JSON format. Yeah, so this is what the permission is. And access points and management, you can go through it. So in management, another thing is like life cycle rules. This is another concept where how the life cycle rule we can define it for a particular bucket, like whatever the assets created deletes, how much it should transfer, and all that thing we can give that. Yeah, so yeah, this is my S3 bucket. You see, it is a bucket called of thing like a dump. We can dump the file. Now I am uploading my image. So yeah, I add files. Yeah, I am uploading. Consider this is my personal research, and took the pic, which is a unique one. So yeah, let us assume like that, but I have taken it from the internet, no problem. Yeah, now we have uploaded the file. Yeah, now if you go to that file, this is the image and details regarding that. So yeah, now in our bucket I have some important pick on my research, and I am keeping it is securely. Now if I want to access it to some of the important persons, so if I want to give them access, I just need to give that URL. Yeah, access denied, because directly we can't access it. Let's go through this one. Yeah, open, because here we have given the public access nil, so that's why. If I open here, yeah, here we can see this is my bucket name and my image, whichever I image, and some algorithm which is generated by the AWS to access it. So if I just copy and give this URL to some person whichever I need, so they'll just browse it and get access to the asset or images or files which we have stored in our S3 bucket. So yeah, this is what the power of S3 in a production larger application. Some of the famous application, you can say it as in all the domain, all the application, they are using S3 to store their images, videos, some transcoded videos and files. Basically we can consider it as an asset. So yeah, this is how you can create S3 bucket of your own and maintain your assets and restrict the access. So yeah, you can go through the video and follow the same to practice for the beginner. So yeah, thank you guys.